everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 beautiful paid icon packs for Android. So without more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Gummy icon pack. So just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as Gummy icon pack. As you can see on the first list, just tap on it. So you can just check the preview. As you can see here, it's a very beautiful borderless icon packs, and it has been recently launched, so you can definitely purchase it because it's a very beautiful looking icon pack, very colorful and unique also. So in my opinion, you can definitely purchase this icon pack and try on your respective Android smartphones. On the second list we have the Simplified Gradient icon pack. So once again, open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as Simplified Gradient icon pack. Just search this icon pack, and you can see on the first list Simplified Gradient icon pack. So this is also a paid icon pack. So below you can see the preview or the screenshots, whatever you like to call. So you can see all, it's also very beautiful looking icon pack. I myself have purchased it, and this icon pack app developer is very active. You can request also after purchasing this icon pack for some icon packs which are not available for your respective applications. So in my opinion, you can definitely purchase this beautiful looking icon pack and try it on your respective Android smartphones. On the third list we have the Deletion icon pack. So once again, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name Deletion icon pack. Just search this icon pack. As you can see on the first list, just tap on it. So this is also a paid icon pack. So below you can see here some screenshots of the respective icon pack. So this is also a very beautiful looking borderless icon pack. So if you really like a borderless icon pack and colorful icon packs, then definitely you can give this Deletion icon pack a try by purchasing it and supporting to the app icon developer. So in my opinion, it's also a very beautiful looking paid icon pack that you should definitely give it a try. On the fourth list we have the BuildP icon pack. So just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as BuildP icon pack. As you can see on the first list, BuildP icon pack. So this is also a paid icon pack. So below you can see some screenshots. So this is also very beautiful looking colorful icon packs, as you can see here. So you can see the icon packs of different apps. So in my opinion, this is also a very beautiful looking and colorful icon pack that you can definitely give it a try. On the fifth list we have the Flora Material icon pack. So once again, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as Flora Material icon pack. Just search this icon pack, and on the first list you will see, just tap on it. So this is also a paid icon pack. So you can see the screenshots below. You can see here it's also a very beautiful looking borderless icon pack that you should definitely give it a try. And if you prepare a borderless icon packs that does not have any borders, then you can try all these icon packs on your respective Android smartphones. So these are the 5 beautiful paid icon packs for Android that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.